Hello friends, today we will go on an exciting journey into the world of elephants and learn some little-known facts about them. Ready? Then let's get started. Elephants are the largest terrestrial mammals on Earth. An adult African elephant can reach weight up to 6 tons, and heights up to 4 meters. Their hearts weigh about 23 kilograms, and their brains weigh about 5 kilograms. These are really impressive numbers. All elephants, regardless of the species, have long tusks, which are elongated upper fangs. However, it is not convenient for all elephants to use them to protect or collect food. Some female African elephants are born without tusks, and some male Asian elephants may have so-called tamps instead of long tusks. Elephants have an amazing memory. They can memorize routes, reservoirs, and other important places for many years. Thanks to this amazing ability, they can transfer information about safety or danger to other members of the pack and help them survive. You probably know that elephants have good hearing, but they also have a great sense of smell. With their sense of smell, they can detect water over long distances, as well as recognize the smells of other elephants and determine their emotional state. Elephants are very caring and social creatures. They show care and protection for other members of the pack, especially the kids. When an elephant is wounded or dies, other elephants can stay next to him, expressing their grief. They also have a developed and complex social structure in which there are leaders and different roles. Elephants are herbivores and eat huge amounts of food every day. On average, an African elephant consumes about 150 kilograms of food per day, including grass, branches, leaves and fruits. Their stomach can hold about 100 liters of food. Elephants have a very long pregnancy. The female is pregnant for about 22 months, which makes the elephant pregnancy the longest among all existing terrestrial mammals. Interestingly, elephants can cry. When they experience deep emotions, such as grief or joy, they can secrete tears. This is a wonderful reminder that elephants, like us, have feelings and emotions. Elephants play an important role in the distribution of plant seeds. After eating fruits and plants, they go long distances and secrete undigested seeds with their own excrement, thereby contributing to the diversity of flora in different areas. In ancient times, elephants were used by humans for various purposes. They were among the first domestic animals used in agriculture, logging and military operations. War elephants were used in ancient armies to transport troops and intimidate the enemy. Elephants are amazing creatures that evoke admiration for their majesty and intelligence. These little-known facts about elephants expand our understanding and admiration for these wonderful animals. Let's take care of them and respect their lives on our planet. Elephants have a very developed family life. Elephants live in herds that consist of several family groups. Each group has a leader, usually a male, who is responsible for protecting and leading the herd. Elephants have an amazing ability to use tools. They can use objects such as branches or grass to scare away insects, or protect themselves from the heat. This indicates their high level of intelligence and adaptability. Elephants have a special skin type that helps them cool down in hot weather. Their skin has a thick layer of pollen and small folds that help retain moisture and prevent overheating. Elephants can show care and empathy for other animals. They can help and protect other species, whether birds, monkeys, or even humans, when they are in trouble. This testifies to their social and emotional abilities. Due to the illegal trade in ivory and poaching, elephants are threatened with their extinction. International organizations and conservation efforts are actively working to protect elephants and their habitats. Elephants are amazing creatures that amaze us with their wisdom, emotionality, and majesty. These little-known facts allow us to take an even deeper look at their unique world and the importance of preserving these beautiful animals. Let's do everything possible together to save their lives and ensure the well-being of elephants on our planet. Elephants, majestic creatures known to everyone. Elephants are incredible creatures that attract the attention and admiration of many people around the world. With their majestic appearance and unique features, elephants deservedly occupy a special place in the hearts and imagination of people. Let's look at some of the most famous aspects of elephant life. First, elephants are among the largest terrestrial mammals on Earth. Adult African elephants can reach a mass of up to 6,000 kilograms, while Asian elephants usually weigh about 5,000 kilograms. Their size and power are simply impressive. And if you've watched it to this point, well, I'm telling you about what you didn't know. One of the amazing features of elephants is their social structure. Elephants live in groups called herds, which consist of males, females, and their offspring. Inside the herd there is a hierarchy where males play an important role in protecting and leading the herd. Elephants are also known for their ability to show care and empathy for other members of the herd, including a hand with a raised tusk to protect the weak and sick. Migration is an integral part of elephant life. In search of food and water, elephants can travel huge distances, crossing the territories of endangered landscapes. This is important not only for the survival of elephants, but also for maintaining ecological balance in their natural habitats. In addition, elephants have a significant impact on the ecosystem in which they live. Their movements and pastures affect the distribution of vegetation and the behavior of other animals that depend on elephants to maintain their own lives. Despite all their amazing features and popularity, elephants also face serious threats. The destruction of their natural habitats, poaching and conflicts with people all led to a reduction in the number of elephants and their species in general. Therefore, it is very important to continue efforts to preserve elephants and their natural media. Education, awareness, and public support are key elements in the struggle to protect and preserve these amazing beings. Bosoms are real wonders of nature that are worth attention and respect. Their beauty, intelligence, and social organization are unsurpassed. Let's take care of them and preserve their wild beauty for future generations. Elephants have been of interest to scientists and researchers for many years. There are several hypotheses that try to explain some unique aspects of their behavior and physiology. Here are some of them. Elephants, majestic creatures known to everyone. Elephants are incredible creatures that attract the attention and admiration of many people around the world. With their majestic appearance and unique features, elephants deservedly occupy a special place in the hearts and imagination of people. Let's look at some of the most famous aspects of elephant life. First, elephants are among the largest terrestrial mammals on Earth. Adult African elephants can reach a mass of up to 6,000 kilograms, while Asian elephants usually weigh about 5,000 kilograms. Their size and power are simply impressive. Hypothesis of high intelligence of elephants. Many studies confirm that elephants have a high level of intelligence and are capable of complex cognitive functions. The hypothesis is that elephants have developed memory, emotional intelligence, and the ability to solve problems. It is their intellectual abilities that help them navigate, communicate, and survive in difficult conditions. Hypothesis about the social structure of elephants. Elephants live in complex social groups called herds. The hypothesis is that elephants have a developed social structure and complex relationships within the herd. Studies show that they take care of other members of the herd, help sick or weak individuals, and teach their descendants social skills. Elephant echolocation hypothesis. There is an assumption that elephants can use low-frequency sounds to communicate and determine the distance to objects in their environment. Some researchers believe that elephants are capable of echolocation similar to that used by dolphins and some other animals. Hypothesis about the role of elephants in the ecosystem. Elephants play an important role in maintaining and changing the ecosystems in which they live. They can affect the vegetation and structure of forests by selecting certain plants to feed and destroy trees to access food. The hypothesis is that these changes in the ecosystem can affect other species and general biodiversity. Elephant memory hypothesis. It is known that elephants have outstanding memory and can remember certain places, people, and events for long periods of time. The hypothesis is that elephants can use their memory to navigate and search for food, as well as to transfer knowledge and experience between generations. It is important to note that these hypotheses are still the subject of research and discussion, and some of them can be confirmed or refuted in the future with an increase in scientific knowledge about elephants. Thank you friends, subscribe to my channel or don't subscribe, manage your life yourself.